Today I'm in South Lakeland, and coming soon we have a beautiful pool home. Wait till you see it. I'm going to give you a quick tour. We're waiting for the photographer to come. This home has been so nicely updated and I can't wait to show you. So let me flip the phone around and show you what this home has to offer. Okay, so you could see this is a 2005 and it has been so nicely updated. The outside has been nicely painted, the garage door, and then look at the black mulch. I love this mulch. And then you have lots of privacy over here. So let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk in, you can see how cozy it is. Okay, so you can see we're getting ready for photos right now and videos. This is the living room. It has sliding glass doors and you can see the pool. Look at the pool view. Okay, and then over here you have the dining room. And then you can see that this has the vaulted ceilings here. And then wait till you see this kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is to die for. You have this open kitchen area, and then you have the eat-in kitchen area, and then you have the living room. Look at that fireplace. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then what I love about this home is the quartz. They picked this quartz out, and look at this. It's a waterfall island, and then you have beautiful stainless steel appliances. You have the quartz backsplash, and then you have the eat-in kitchen area, and I can't wait to show you the pool area. And so this is the family room. Okay, so then going down here, you have the pool bath. This is a full pool bath here. And then you have bedroom number 1 here. Look how cute that is. This is all nice laminate flooring. Bedroom 2, look how cute this bedroom is. So that's 3 bedrooms. Now let's go all the way to the other side of the home. And well, before we go over there, let's go over here. This is the laundry room, and you got your washer and dryer hookup. And look how beautiful this garage is, freshly painted. Love this. And then you even have this area where you can have a closet here, or you could keep it open. But look at that island. Look how beautiful that is. And then they have a lot of nice gold accents, as you can see right here. And then look at this big sink. Okay, let's go now to the other side. And then here, oh, there's Travis. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so then this is the primary bedroom. And then you have sliders going out to there. Love this mirror right there. And then plantation shutters. Look at the flooring. And then check out this bathroom. And you have 2 huge closets. And then you have this nice soaking tub. And I'll tell you, new construction, and then you have the double vanities. You don't see a lot of tubs in the bathroom. And I know a lot of buyers want a tub. And then you have a large shower too. Okay, now let's go check out the pool. This is my favorite spot. And they have brand new blinds for privacy. Wait till you see that. Okay, so you come out here and you have the covered sitting area right here. And then look at this pool area. How gorgeous is that? And those are the new blinds. And then look at the fountains. And then look at the cute little chairs here. This is so cute. Just kidding.
All right.
And then look at the umbrella. Oh my gosh, this is so inviting. And then let's check out the backyard. This pool has a heater. And look at all the equipment there. But look at this backyard. Perfect. And it's all fenced in. Okay, so I'm Elizabeth Willers with Sirhan, and if you're looking for a South Lakeland pool home in 33813, contact me. Let's get you in. This is coming soon today, and then tomorrow we'll go live.